무서운 얘기야. 가상국가 버그와 팩트가 전쟁 중인 상황. 유일한 연락수단인 전신선을 지키기 위해 페이족이 있는 곳으로 가게 된 버그의 군인들.
We mean you no harm. By the terms of the Tain Treaty between your proud kingdom and the Republic of the Burg, premises are hereby commandeered by the 13th Light Dragoons for use in defense of these lands.
This is a holy place. Conduct yourselves accordingly.
This mimicry has not been infiltrated by fairish guerrillas.
These are refugees, sir.
Pack Fae look exactly the same as our Fae.
주위를 살펴보던 파일로는 의문의 장소를 발견합니다.
Easy.
I'm a sworn steward of this sacred library, and you are trespassing. Crated up to be gawked at in some fucking Burgish museum.
Don't worry, miss. I won't tell anyone.
Do you think he'll keep his word?
He's found Troy. You never know with them.
공상과학 로맨스, 달의 왕국들에 빠져있는 파일로. 그런데 그때 전신선이 끊어졌다는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
Let's put together a repair detachment.
That ravine's a furlong wide. We don't have the equipment to run a new line across.
결국 미넷에게 부탁해보기로.
All clear!
감사의 의미로 그녀에게 책 얘기를 해주는 파일로.
A rogue inventor journeys to the moon and falls in love with the princess of the lunar tribe. Go on, take it. I've read it many times.
그걸 또 본다.
Vignette. My name.
늑대에게 내장이 뜯겨나간 말과 백두군들. 미넷 덕분에 겨우 살아남고.
That's a lot of blood. For mine. You sure? I'm fine. I ran one down. It's dead.
이거 소문이 사실인가?
The pact, affecting their soldiers with the wolf's curse, turn them into monsters. Kind of callous. Chooses the change. Nothing the pact won't stick to take this land and its riches.
비넷은 파일로가 준 책이 재미있었던 듯.
She spends the whole second half looking for her father. I loved it.
Keep it. Just get another copy back in the book for your library.
고마우니까 파일로에게 서고를 구경시켜주기로.
This is the largest library in the Kingdom of Anoon. History is going all the way back to the Queen of Crow.
너에게 꼭 보여줄 책이 있거든.
700-year-old illuminated manuscript. It tells the tale of the first human in Tirnanock. Here it is. They fell desperate.
Sounds rather like my book, but not so different in the end.
머그군에겐 안 좋은 소식이 들려오고.
They were shelled.
The pact? That far north?
They're asking all units for donations. Sovereign's over 100 leagues away.
Our blood may be of no use to your wounded, but our wings could have relief there within hours.
갑자기 비까지 내려. 이거 분위기가 묘한데?
That represents my surname.
Stonemore. And this one?
The year I was born. That is the one Alas gives away when she gives her heart.
The child in entry. All I know is the headmaster said it was how I turned up at the family.
달이 모습을 드러내는 밤.
Started talking to that chap. Idolatry, intemperance, fornication. Their ways have built the very empire that now crumbles around us. And we must be careful not to be seduced.
비니과의 일을 알고 있는 듯. 우리를 지켜줘야 하나 말아야 하나.
You gotta do when we get back to the burg.
They'll put a bullet in my head on the spot.
I'll take care of it.
I'm not the only one with a secret, am I? The wolf fades slowly. You're really in deep.
그때 포트 소버린에서 돌아온 페이족트.
Tourmaline! We were attacked. It's Bolin.
It was awful. We tried to get away. They started picking us right out of the air.
Fucking packed.
Imperialist shite, same as the pack. They play the fae against each other so they can take home the spoils. I've met someone.
He's a soldier. He's a burger soldier.
Now, come on, Vignette. It's the oldest story there is, and it never ends well.
What's gonna happen to us when the war is over?
I hadn't really thought it through yet. You're like coming home. I lost a part of myself a long time ago. Must have happened when I was a baby. I can't remember it, but I know what was taken from me.
파일로는 페이 혼혈이었던 것.
Now I know why that bug made such an impression on a child who's half face searching for their... But to shear you like...
You understand? You have to know the bird.
Didn't anyone at the boys' home know you'd been shorn?
The headmaster knew. Told me to steer clear of doctors no matter what. But then I never felt so much like home.
Down the coast to Magmore. Like a shit, I went in and up.
I don't know how or where, but we will.
비넷이 걱정된 투어말리는 파일로를 찾아갑니다.
She loves you. I've seen what's coming. This will all be packed territory soon. You won't give her the choice to.
그리고 전선이 완전히 무너졌다는 소식.
We're to rendezvous with the fleet at Port Moradin. They'll be here by morning.
당장 대피하는 중.
Go steal the library. Yes, Beam.
You should leave now.
Without you? No!
Get yourself to Port Moradin.
Unless the Pact catches up with your troops and I never see you again.
All right. We go together.
I'm going to steal the library. Meet me in the Garden of Stone.
I love you.
I love you.
I need you to do something for me.
아마도 파일로는 자신이 죽었다고 말해달라 부탁한 듯. 그렇게 둘은 헤어집니다. 버그 공화국은 대패하고 팩트에게 점령당한 페이족의 땅. 7년 후 신화와 전설의 오랜 역사를 자랑하던 페이족은 다양한 인간 제국의 싸움에 휘말려 힘든 삶에서 탈출 시도 중. 겨우 탈출해 배로 올라탄 비넷.
I'm done. Okay, find some other pigs to muster passengers for you. I'm going to the burg.
이어지는 해안포대의 공격. 같은 동족들을 버그행 난민선으로 빼돌리는 일을 했던 비넷. 이제 그녀도 그들과 함께합니다.
Folks are saying you're the one that arranged for the passage.
What I did wasn't anything.
You gave us all a fighting chance at a better life. That a Burgish soldier?
He died in the last pact advance.
하지만
Shipwreck! It's Constable! Hurry!
모두 죽고 비넷만 겨우 살아남아 버그에 도착합니다. 그녀가 죽은 줄 알고 있던 사랑하는 파일로가 있는 이곳으로.
It's your hurry, love. Come up and see me.
See, you can't sell this critch bilge out on the road. Because we could sell you one.
You don't want to do that.
Or else what?
Thank you, Inspector.
This is Inspector Philistreet.
I've been charged with finding the man responsible for these attacks.
연쇄살인이 발생한 빈민가 카니발로의 경위 자격으로 온 파일로.
But this man is still out there, hunting innocent Vafer.
He called me a pig's whore. His head was shaved, except for the hair on the side of his face. He had a tattoo on his forearm. Wore a uniform.
The police. Military.
I haven't been here long.
Changing the very fabric. Burgishmen can't find honest work because the critch do their jobs for a pittance.
버그인들의 대부분은 자신과 다른 종족들을 크리치라 멸시하며 함께하길 거부합니다.
Party he leads chose to let Tyrannoc fall into the hands of the pack.
So that doesn't include the law against consorting with pigs.
킹받은 수상 압살롬.
Impugn my family honor.
Even so, that you should have to tolerate such impudence.
Jonah!
Not on Carnival Row, I trust.
Rest assured, I'd sooner die.
It's your future that concerns me, Jonah.
Your city is under siege!
이곳에 투어말린도 있었는데
And from a noon.
Oi, wake up. You boarded her where?
Near noon. Off the coast. Let us out of the hold. Even when the ship started taking on water.
Let you out of the hold and you'd winged ashore. You wouldn't be worth nothing to him now, would you? Who you contracted to?
I don't know. Only that it was 2 years' work for the past.
Find out who the ship is registered to and make sure she gets where she belongs.
그 주인공은 에즈라 스펄로우즈.
You're the registered owner of the sailing ship Deliverance.
Lost at sea.
I'm afraid I tied up a considerable portion of my family assets in this enterprise. I was approached to fund the purchase and furbishment of the Deliverance as a passenger vessel.
She's indentured for the price of passage. You can sell that contract to someone else or you can keep her as a domestic.
미니엣은 어쩔 수 없이 그 집의 하녀가 됩니다.
Well, of course, I think it's dreadful that the Berg abandoned, turning up to the ravages of the Pact. I'm not sure about this braid.
Don't.
Please excuse me. I don't have much else left. You may go.
Belongs to the Burgishmen! Then let him step aside for a man who can. Quit the longer pain!
Sergeant, what the fuck are you doing here? Just that Jack's last victim said he might be one of you choppers.
These fucking crits.
경사가 의심스러운 파일럿.
What's this strange affinity you have for them?
Because I served beside their kind in the war.
No proper women around, just all those beggared tinks. I think I won't fucking report you for this!
Do it! I can't wait to tell him where I found you. Mrs. Fife.
Mr. Philostrate.
Supper is served between 6 and 7. House rules.
2 minutes' grace is the least we can afford, Mr. Philostrate.
Because not everyone came back, I suppose.
You mean my husband? Men like you are made of stories. Tell me one.
Some of the time it's late.
And you think Sergeant Dombey is this, what do we call him?
Unseelie Jack.
얘가 범인 맞다고.
Even so, you can't just go around assaulting your colleagues.
They're not criminals or cutthroats. The last victim was a maid. Just let me put a man on Dombey.
Absolutely not. Philo, go home.
What have you got?
Sketch artist got back from talking to the victim.
Fucking basilisk is in port.
Mine. Every 3 weeks.
피해자가 말한 제보 혹시
Jack doesn't wear a policeman's uniform. He's a fucking sailor.
날개 달린 비넷이 도망갈까봐 꽁꽁 묶어두는
To
중.
that end, I don't suppose you know of a train going towards the Tetterby Hotel.
Tetterby is a house of ill repute, girl, on Carnival Row.
하지만 방법을 찾아내는데
I would send you on an errand. I need you to go to the row and have this refill. Campus oil. Drop behind each ear and men take notice of what they otherwise overlook.
결국 카니발로에 가게 되고
Tourmaline! Vinny!
살기 위해 어쩔 수 없이 창녀로 일하고 있던 투어말린.
Heard they'd escaped from a camp of some kind. The Pact was after them and I tried to help, but they never lived to see.
But you're here now. Is this a widow's braid? Philo's alive.
왜 거짓말을? 비넷은 참을 수 없는 배신감을 느낍니다. 이사 온 이웃남에게 인사하러 달려간 이들.
Ezra Spurner is an assistant. Their neighbours come to extend our hospitality.
하지만 집주인은
I hear your father was the finest watchmaker in the burg.
압살롬의 아들 조나는 이곳에 온 게 한두 번이 아닌 듯. 격정적인 시간이 지나고 갑자기 그는 누군가에게 납치당했다. 다음 날 아침
Shit ran out of me last night.
You must have seen something.
Sorry, please, sir, please. I would do anything to protect you.
Get him out of my sight.
I showed the sketch to the bosun. These lads aren't going to give up one of their own, so he...
혹시 이곳에
All the victims were struck on the right side. His arm man was left hand. His last victim said he had a tattoo on his forearm.
헉 저놈이다.
Excuse me.
It's him! It's Jack! Go round!
한밤의 추격전 끝에
I had to stop them. They come from a dark place, and they haven't come alone. They've brought something with them. Something that'll be the end of us.
알 수 없는 말을 남기고 자살해버립니다. 그날 밤 비넷은
straight. What are you doing in here? What happened to your hand?
Spend a night.
I want to know you, Philo.
You may just be happier in the dark. Portia.
No, spell straight. You lying shit.
7년 만에 재회한 두 사람.
You're not worth it. I wish you had died.
사실 그는 그녀가 위험해질까봐 거짓말을 했던 것이었는데 그 시간. 헉, 뭐야? 다음 날.
Found her this morning on the south bank, just off the road.
Move away! Jackie targets the head and he doesn't gut them. Send some men into the sewers. Aisling Carell.
죽은 그녀의 집을 수색하다가
Expensive piece of kit for a pig.
You little...
Eric.
누군가 숨어 있다.
I needed somewhere to shelter. Aisling wasn't here. The door was open. Here we go.
Kobolds. Vicious things.
How dare you? He's my star. Did you see her last? Years ago, sometime in the autumn.
죽은 애슐링은 가수였고 함께 공연까지 했었던 사이.
I'll find whoever did this.
뻑 따위가 이웃이라며 분노한 그녀는 변호사를 부릅니다.
Perhaps it's true, and his heirs chose to sell to the highest bidder. I know of no law explicitly banning the sale of property.
Bravo!
Most kind. Thank you.
It looks like it might rain after all. Where's my parasol? Sorry, miss. Lively now.
간만에 산책 나온 이무진은 바로 비를 맞을 상황. 그때 그녀가 개무시하던 이가 나타나는데.
But I like it here. The crossing's lovely.
Preferably not at all.
I know what you're about, girl. You know what's in it, don't you? From a trowbitch in heat. I also know you needn't to bother.
치부를 들켜버린 듯 당황한 그녀. 한편 애슐링이 부검 요청을 거부한 사실을 알고 화가 난
I'm gonna waste his time on a dead pix. Now let Beric handle this. Right? It was torn apart. But I won't be wasting the coroner's time either.
당장 카니발 로로 달려갑니다.
I got one for you. Usual fee?
그리고 그녀의 부검을 부탁합니다.
No liver. Either way, a sternum was cut straight through. With enough hate in him. Aye.
You are a mate. There was a killing on the road. This pix was different though. She was a singer back in the day. Haunting. Follow me. Against them pack shite. Tomorrow then.
자신을 바라보는 끈적한 시선을 느낀 비닐.
What if I told you that was a quicker way? And now I lost everything. Shut your mouth, you little... Listen to me. The little thief had her hand in the incidentals, John.
She's gone, just like that. First thing tomorrow morning, we're going straight to the constabulary.
투어말린이 있는 곳으로 도망갑니다.
Let that fuck come looking for you. I'll show him a critch cunt.
I found Philo. Wondering if you could have a word with your boss.
Because you're a ghastly fuck.
I'm magnificent. You cow.
Oh, it's just not you, Vinny.
You're a poet laureate for tits' sake.
This city doesn't care who you were. You have to make the best of the choices you've got. I do know a bloke who knows some people. They call themselves the Black Craven. And the ex-blockade runners from the Wing Brigade. Proud, fairish homeland types without a homeland to fight for, just fighting to get by. He'll put you squarely on the other side of the law more often than not.
오, 완벽한데? 조나가 납치당하고 며칠이 지났지만 아무 소식이 없자 초조한 압살롬.
This witch has advised my family for generations. My father would never have agreed for me to marry a Burgishman, son even greater.
So Critch magic is a sin against the mud.
Sacrifice is required. The dearer to the house Breakspear, the better.
A man who took your son is known to...
He would drive you from your seat of power.
Rita Longerbane.
하지만 범인은 부인이었음.
I've served your family for many years. Never before have I been asked to lie.
There's always a first time. Besides, I've always hated that fucking bear.
한편 비넷은
Hamlin tells me you spent some years getting our countrymen out of an inn before coming over. This is one of my old wing courses, in fact.
Oh, we're free.
The Lakers can't stand to see it, so they have to cripple us. What really happened last night, Ren?
그런데 갑자기
The police have been looking for a foothold in my organisation for some time. One of mine spends a night in police custody that she won't say shit about. What am I to do? It's customary that I task you to prove yourself. I want you to take the flag that's hanging in the rotunda of the constabulary and bring it back to me.
이제 결단이 필요할 때 다음 날 비니엣을 신고하러 온 두 사람을 본 파일럿.
Oh, some pigs broke her contract.
바로 집으로 찾아갑니다.
How much is the contract in question worth?
It's 50 guilders.
You release the writ and give her her freedom if I pay what's owed?
Yes.
The girl's no thief. Why does she run?
표정 보니 뻔하네.
I thought so. Myself out.
Father left us 10,000 a year.
I aim to procure a loan to fund the refurbishment of another ship.
For this loan you hope to procure.
By the house, of course.
우와, 거지들까? 경멸한다던 이웃남에게 손편지를?
My behaviour yesterday was unnamed. You're welcome to call on me at your earliest pleasure.
That he would be pleased to take tea with you tomorrow.
She's asking to see the dead pig.
You're a mima. What order are you with?
Ravensclear, she must be anointed. Love we begin, light we return. She was taken by great evil, neither man nor fae.
날리아에게 한 약속을 지키기 위해 위험을 감수하는 비니엣.
I was wrong! After a lad! Come on!
Give it to me. Not without that flag.
I'll arrest you.
그녀에게 찾아간 파일럿. 비니엣은 자신을 떠났던 이유를 따지는데.
Then rip my bloody heart out. Why? I didn't want you to die.
하지만 돌아오는 건 실망뿐.
Can I go to the loo?
Jacob, again.
그날 밤 한 보육원에서 또다시 끔찍한 살인이 벌어집니다.
Master Thorne.
That's a hoof print. This one looks more like a trove.
우물 아래로 직접 내려가 보는 파일럿. 뭔가 있다. 그런데 사라졌다. 간을 남기고. 한편 약속을 지킨 비니엣.
You'll be shadowing Una.
Seems like a nice enough lad. Yeah, be careful of that one. He's looking to fuck you.
Shipment of elixir from the jungles of Magmore.
But it would seem it has been confiscated by the constabulary. We have a cricket in our midst.
또 누군가 죽게 되는 건가?
Whatever they've told you, it was a lie.
달리아는 자수하길 종용하지만 아무도 나서지 않는데.
May the gods have mercy on you, little. I will not.
Whatever it wasn't a blow bigger than a trove. Both the victims had their livers removed. Why? For what purpose?
Maybe the liver, the prize of swords.
파일로는 그녀에게서 나크에셔라는 괴물 얘기를 듣게 됩니다.
A golem of flesh, fashioned from the limbs of the dead.
Some motley patchwork of corpses has been raised from the dead.
There's a strange power in the joining of unlike things.
와, 믿을 수가 없어.
There's a haruspex with a shop of Factor Square. You might see heard about it.
이웃남 아그리어스를 초대한 이모진.
I was quick to ascertain that the life of a pup meant very little to two warring armies of men, and thus found my way to New Freehold.
My father was first on the crossing to bring on a fawn cook.
처음엔 경멸하더니 초대를 하는 그녀의 진심이 궁금한데.
Then why have me come round back through the servants' entrance? The day will come that your bashful neighbours will fight to shake my hand.
곧 그녀의 상황을 듣게 됩니다.
Apparently the brother's casting around desperately for a loan. Can't help feel sorry for him.
Yes, I'd imagine so.
또다시 의회 모임이 열리고
Soon enough, there'll be more of them than there are of us.
분노가 폭발한 압살롬.
Conjure my son!
What have I done? Why couldn't I hold my tongue?
Arrest him. This coalition will appeal the arrest at the High Court.
이미 이성을 잃어버린 그는 증거도 없이 롱그베인을 당장 체포하라 명령합니다. 우연히 마주친 두 사람.
Loving you meant letting you go.
So do it.
결국 하루스펙스를 찾아간 파일럿.
I want you to make me a dark ash.
Take it you've laid eyes on the beast yourself.
But I won't believe it was raised from the dead. Such a feat is even possible.
It'll be bound to you to your last breath. From the life that you must give.
헐, 설마.
Your seed. Come back in a couple of days.
If any of this is Charlotte, you know you are witch. That'll be hell to pay.
Swap it out as quick as you can, though. Nights go faster, but they'll order your wings clipped if they catch up with you.
Dahlia wants her.
Oh, you and the inspector, the handsome one.
I'm not the informant! I can help you find the cricket.
By midnight, you better be standing in front of me with a name on your lips.
I never should have sent you to those shits. Well, how about getting the fuck out of town for a start?
I'm done running.
I saw your alma mater started admitting women.
Fast in the making, no doubt.
Perhaps I'll attend in the autumn.
But there are not enough books in your library now.
Considering I have read them all.
딸과 의견 대립 중이던 롱고베이는 체포하러 나타난 이틀.
So Longovane, the Chancellor wants to see you.
You think the Chancery Guard is your own personal thugs?
Where's Jonah?
Absalom, enough!
Simply have no idea what either of you are talking about.
Something for the pain.
No idea who the boy is.
You're holding him away. The Coakley Bar.
이젠 그를 죽여버리는 무서운 여자.
Did the demon speak?
He passed before my eyes. The old Coakley Baths, that's where he's holding Jonah.
사실 첩자는 햄린.
Dahlia's on a tear after your pal Dombey broke up the elixir shipment. I've heard tell of one of us, Ren. She might have gotten some side work digging up the kind of things you're talking about. Dahlia tossed Ren off a roof 2 nights ago.
그를 찾아온 투어말리는 미네 씨 흑까마귀에 가입했고 현재 난처한 상황에 놓였다는 걸 말해줍니다.
And now I need you to tell me who is on the take.
Edgar Hamlin.
그때 조나를 찾았다는 소식에 출동하는 파일럿.
It's okay. You're safe.
But in truth, we've your mother did.
무서움에 질려 있을 때 들었던 구두 소리가 같다.
Jonah, thank the martyr you're safe.
한밤중 이모진을 찾은 아그레아스.
What do you want?
I came to apologize for my behavior today.
Apology accepted, thank you.
What's the matter? Wondering what a puck is doing at your front door. Imagine how they'll stare when you and your brother are forced to sell this house.
I meant to test the waters of your generosity.
I see no reason why we can't come to an accommodation. The first step, of course, you have to let me through your front door.
두 사람 뭔가 잘 되는가? 그 시간 비넷은 달리아에게 햄린이 첩자인 사실을 말합니다. 그런데
I'm not a killer.
Tough lass like you never left a single body in her wake. Not one.
Never my own kind. Put Tim in it.
And bring me the cocksucker's wing.
결국 햄린을 만나는데
Been telling folks that you mean to fuck me.
These fetishins say all kinds of things.
So you wouldn't then?
No, I didn't say that.
Close your eyes.
Thinking you survived because you're strong, but you're just lucky.
Because now, you really got me worked up.
그때
Too slow.
진짜 위험했다.
We have to go. I'll find a constabulary bullet in him and let it go, I suppose. In the Berg.
다시 한번 진심을 전하는데
It wasn't right the way I left you. I should never have taken it from you.
I'll be honest, I didn't know which one of you would come back. Hamlin ran the lots, now you do. I'm giving you the Finisterre route. Be careful with that copper of yours.
You don't have to worry about him.
푸샤의 마음을 풀어주려 하는 파일럿.
I came anyway.
Occurred to me, never taken you out.
Can't think of the last time someone served me dinner.
Can't think of anyone who deserves it more.
Thank you for bringing me.
It was me. It was me who hurt her.
Sometimes that's harder to live with than the other way around.
앞으로 그들의 미래는 어떻게 될까?
But will they get the justice they deserve?
죽은 애슐링을 기리며 작은 공연 중이던 러니언.
Thank you so much. Oh, Moira.
Thought the show was lovely.
Really?
I'll need to see their papers.
체류 허가증이 없어 추방당할 위기에 놓입니다.
Where? Back where they came from. Knock. It's been totally destroyed. If
They're not fair.
너무 귀여운데 살게 해주면 안 될까?
Truth be told, I can't recall whether kobolds are specifically mentioned in the statute. Why don't you go and check your... I think we're going to be absolutely... Oh, kobold.
하르스펙스를 다시 찾아간 파일로.
What does this say?
Repository of secret. The liver holds multitudes for those who know how to see.
What's this?
I want you to make me a dark ash.
그 요청을 완성한 것.
A dead thing can be raised to life and joined with another.
What you sensed was the intelligence behind it. They say that sometimes its eyes and its master's eyes can become as one and the same.
Put it out of its misery.
하지만 절대 죽지 않아.
Not while you still breathe.
Then put it in a jar.
한편 아그리아스와 협의를 끊는 이무진.
This individual has the wherewithal to fund the refurbishment of a ship in its entirety.
What share of the profits would he be after, I wonder?
Rather, acceptance into our social circle. I won't let you put this house at risk.
구사일생으로 돌아온 조나에게 예언 얘기를 하며 잔소리 중인 파이어티.
That he would be a great man and that his son would be great.
Maybe I'm to be crowned king.
It's not impossible. And stay home to concentrate on your studies.
본인의 뜻과는 상관없이 강요받는 게 기분 상한 조나.
Best way to learn about politics is to witness it for yourself.
그곳에서 강한 매력의 그녀 롱거베인의 딸 소피를 보게 되는데
The chaos of war in the lands of the Fae brought a new wave of refugees to these shores. Tide of anger is rising in this city. Who will stand with me?
She's the most magnificent creature I've ever laid eyes on.
She's still here. Still, she gets back on her feet. All right, she can stay for a bit.
Thank you, Moira. Thank you. I'll go deliver the skim, kill some time, maybe come back around 2 with some food. What are you doing here?
It's police business.
Right, I've got a word too.
This man was a client here, murdered.
Costin would book a room with 2 girls. The girls went, but he was meeting with another man.
그 상대는 검시관 모란지.
We stood over his body together. You gave nothing away.
Fear of being discovered. We only had one night a week when we could be who we truly were. The rest of it, that
feels like a lie.
Yes, Costin knew Aisling. They were close then.
이건 사건들이 어떤 식으로든 관련이 되어 있다는 뜻. 한편 압살롬에게 쫓겨난 후 노숙자로 떠돌아다니던 퀴엘.
Something to eat. Much obliged. The ciphers, do you know it? My mum had read me stories from it when I was a bairn.
멸시에 익숙한 그의 정신을 깨운 책 한 권은 다시 그들을 찾게 만드는데.
Piece of shite.
I read it. Tell me. I want to know everything.
The headmaster was killed by the same hand as the Fae that was found dead off the road the other day.
That puck that you brought in to do an autopsy tell you that? What puck? Butcher from the road.
He was a physician in Puyang. Took both their fucking livers.
그가 나크에셔 얘기를 보고하지 않자 의문을 품는 버윅. 사건이 일어난 곳이자 자신이 자랐던 보육원을 찾아간 파일로.
An inspector with the constabulary.
Did you ever see the headmaster with this Fae? Aisling Quirrell.
I've never seen her before. I'm sorry. Do feel free to have a look about.
그곳을 돌아보며 예전 기억이 떠오르는데. 그때 뭔가 숨기는 게 있다는 확신이 든 파일로.
Master Thorn. Just tell me I'm wrong and I'll be on my way.
I've never known a finer man than Costin Finch, but he did succumb to the appetites of the flesh. Today would have been Costin's night off. Taken a carriage to the row. Frequented a certain house of ill repute.
Thank you for being forthcoming. Commit everything to this case.
러년이 잠든 사이 귀여운 코볼드들이 사라지고.
All I know is there was a deportation order. Order pending status check. Didn't see that bit.
Yeah, so where are they?
Would have left by now, I should think.
What's its name?
우와, 어떻게 자세히 확인도 안 하고 추방을 시켜?
The Janus! Where's she docked? The Janus! No!
복권 사려고 달려간 어피사는 비냐스를 보게 됩니다.
You're running the lots now?
They gave me the Finisterre route.
I didn't mean the Black Raven. Good luck to you, girl.
Louisa Pembroke can sneer that I invited her back all she wants, but the Harkin cake must be above reproach.
Mr. Grace is not employed here.
Mr. Grace is our new neighbour. He recently took ownership of Chesworth House across the way.
I was fortunate it came on the market when it did.
아그레아스를 초대한 이모지는 그가 원한 대로 사교계 사람들을 소개해줍니다.
Are we meant to dress up as help and serve the servants? Mr. Agrees is not an employee here.
He's a guest.
I'm Leonard Pembroke. This is my sister, Louisa.
I've been craving a slice all week. Oh, please.
Have you ever been to Puyen, Mr. Pembroke? I should think not, without encountering anyone that wasn't a pup. Which is how I find myself here, in such fine company.
하지만 편견 가득한 사람들과 어울리는 게 쉽지 않다는 걸 뼈저리게 느껴버린 이모진.
She's always been a bit off, hasn't she? I thought I could weather their disapproval, but I see now I have this trick.
I am more than happy to return you to poverty.
계약 무효를 외치려던 그때
Ah, welcome to our home.
Please, take a seat.
Story of the puck came to tea at the Spurn Rose, spreading like poison even now.
Father, we hear none of this would be necessary, would it?
Thank you.
이모진 혹시 그에게 끌리는 건가? 그녀의 노래를 들으며 왜 가슴이 아픈 걸까? 왜 슬픈 걸까? 죽은 애슐링은 파일로의 엄마였던 것. 그날 밤 모든 기억이 되살아납니다.
Haunting. Can't get it out of my head.
그리고 그 시간. 검시관 몰란즈에게 어둠의 그림자가 다가오는데
Giddy?
한밤중 모란지의 집으로 오게 된 파일로. 다른 희생자들처럼 모란지에게서도 간이 사라졌다.
Abortions, reconstruction, and pigs. Boss, getting their ears bobbed, wings sheared.
그렇다면 자신의 날개를 자른 이가 모란지?
There's a connection between the victims. Find it.
Sir, I tracked down a cabbie who drove Moran home last night. Only that he picked him up outside a pig's brothel.
Tackers tack harder with Longerbane's daughter at there. She hadn't been there to see it. Longerbane's body is lying in state. Daughter receiving condolences from his supporters. Magnanimity in victory goes a long way towards disarming one's enemy.
He was the only man brave enough to tell the truth about what these Kirich are doing to us. I pray so.
He stood for all of us.
I might have a moment alone with my father. God's noose! Thought it would never end.
Asking for a moment alone was a nice touch.
Don't look like that. Who's there? You're Jonah Breakspear.
그녀가 생각보다 더 강하게 다가온 조나.
Sole heirs, cities, two most important families. Only one difference I can see. I'm free of my parents.
Good day, Master Jonah.
한편 자신들에 대한 멸시에 과격하게 반항하는 단체와 함께하게 된 퀴엘.
Hey, don't you strike no, that's our job. Fight for their Sancha.
No.
All right then.
Can make no peace with the ignorant. They will never accept us. They will never understand us.
박물관 자선 경매에 같이 가기로 한 이모진에게 입고 갈 드레스를 보낸 아그레아스.
Certainly spared no expense.
Ezra,
Do you remember Dr. Moran?
father's friend.
He's been killed.
Another murder.
They're saying someone from the constabulary. I trust he's all right.
Good day, Mr. Grayson.
Last night I saw you leaving his room with my own eyes. An old widow parading about like some kind of harlot.
I may be an old widow, but I am a grown woman in charge of my own life.
Expect my deposit returned expeditiously upon my departure.
Just the bag stock. Be out by the end of the day.
그날 밤 포샤는 파일로를 설득합니다.
Let's make a real go of this.
The other day when you said I was hiding something, you were right. These murders, they're all connected. To me. She was my mother. I'm half Fae, Portia.
Get out. Take your things and get out now.
까였다, 파일로. 그런데 나리우스는 이미 다 알고 있었다.
All you can do is keep your mouth shut and move on.
Tell Portia.
If this gets out, this could destroy you.
If you could get this upstairs. I decided to find new accommodations, closer to work.
튀어나누게 보물? 혹시나 하는 마음에 몰래 들어간 비넷. 그런데 역시나
Found in the summer of 41, when our brave lads took Anun back from the pack. And you, there are some naughty bits.
Get the fuck!
결국 난동불인 페이로 찍혀 체포당합니다.
I know who you are.
자신의 미래를 보게 된 하르스펙스.
Coming closer and closer. There is no cheating death.
You must stay here until the danger is past.
모두의 시선을 느끼며 자상경매에 함께 나타난 아그레아스와 이모진.
2 days in a row now.
As I understand it, he's putting his money to work in the shipping trade.
Riza, shall we?
She had sex with him in the carriage on the way here. That girl is so tightly wound. A miracle the fool didn't get stuck.
드디어 경매가 시작됩니다.
200,000.
낙찰을 확신하던 그때
Once.
300,000 gilder.
I'm sorry, but do you even have that sort of money?
그깟 돈 나도 있거든.
So,
Hang it in my home and buy drapes to match it.
You're not at all what I expected, Mr. Agreus.
Nor are you, Miss Spenrose.
공연할 모두를 잃고 난감 상황에 빠진 러년을 찾은 파일로.
You did in fact have a child. What, 6 or 7?
There was someone she wouldn't talk about. One day something changed. She went away for some time, months in fact.
If she'd gone away to have a baby.
She wrote a song about it. I'll fly for you, sweet dreams to you. You know it.
Stayed with the benefactor in the crossing.
He was the finest watchmaker in the burg.
그 모습을 지켜보는 버윅. 파일로에게 비호감인 돈비는 포샤에게 사실을 듣게 됩니다.
she didn't want to say nothing at first, but I got it out of her.
Right under our noses.
She told me he said murdered Faye, the singer, was his mum.
It's been Philo all along.
파일로가 자신의 비밀을 알고 있는 자들을 죽였다는 거?
Then bring him in.
이 시간 파일로는 애슐링을 알고 있는 어피사를 찾아옵니다.
Mr. Spurnrose may bask in the martyr's light. Let her have what's now Miss Imogen's room. Cried for days after Morange left with him. I had the feeling she was frightened of him. A lot of the time half-bloods don't, not for long anyway. I'm coming!
그때 들이닥친 경관들.
You're under arrest. Fucking critch!
한순간 나락으로 떨어져 버린 파일로.
What I know is you withheld facts material to this case. What would happen if I didn't? Don't put this on me, you fucking half-blood piece of shit. Take him downstairs.
Right. Log him in. Former Inspector Rycroft Philistray. Put him in here. These fine gents.
What's this then?
Half-blood.
그곳에서 비닉과 재회합니다. 그런데
Philo, behind you!
Get in there with your own car. Now.
Well done, mate.
Thanks.
I didn't want to see you dead just yet. They can't really think you killed her.
To cover up my secret. The headmaster, doctor assured me they all knew the truth about me. Why didn't that thing kill me in the tunnel the other night?
You think it was your father who did these killings?
Yes, he didn't know who I was, why he needed their livers. He could read their secrets and follow them to me.
There's a rumour that someone's been arrested for the murders.
All I know is I saw it come for me, and that at the moment of my death I'll understand who summoned it. I should go.
Be careful.
결국 소피와 미래를 즐기게 된 조나.
They only knew the mischief unfolding under their very noses.
My advisors are pressing me to call for a vote of no confidence against your father within the fort. I wish to warn you. Your father's regime is waning. You must see to your future now. Do you even know what this is? Moments like this are the moments that change everything. Good day, Master Jonah.
아무래도 야심이 대단한데 빈털터리가 된 채 떠나는 러년.
Only to Kerringans, if you had 5 more.
Runyon, no, what?
Vicious side, old Ross. Educating the Chancellor's son at Balefire. Hang on, well, what? Didn't you get a rather good degree from Ophidian? It's a lot of money.
조나의 개인 교사 기회를 얻게 됩니다.
You need this job badly, and report that I'm making splendid progress. Whatever they're paying you, I'll double it.
I've been brought in to equip you with little wisdom. I'm not afraid of destitution. If only you knew what I'd seen and done. Good. Chapter 39.
Swan. At 50 guilders a head, she'll pay for herself. After 3 crossings, the rest will be profit. To a foundry owner in New Freehold. For 5 years.
퍽 주제에 어떻게 많은 돈을 벌 수 있었는지 묻는 에즈라.
A skipjack is one who tracks workers that have run away.
You hunted your own kind.
But if I was to find my way in the world of men, I'd have to play by the rules of men.
그런 비밀이. 경찰서를 찾은 포샤.
Well, passing is a crime. We've got him for the killings too.
Mr. Philostrate isn't a murderer.
맘을 바꿨어.
It was a lie. I made it all up to hurt him.
Your landlady just filed a statement. Said you didn't do these killings.
You know I didn't.
But you're a man.
Ashley Corral was my mother. I am what I am.
I trusted you!
용기 있는 그가 다시 보이는 비넷.
Either way, no messy trial. One of us, a killer.
They're going to drag us all through the mud for not catching on to him soon.
Maybe horror of what he has done gets to him. He hangs himself in his cell. It could happen. Let it percolate.
이 사실을 알리는 버이.
Dombey's out to make sure you don't see a trial. He's going to try something.
이제 어떡하지? 며칠 후 아그레어스에게 도착한 그림.
I was out for a stroll and I saw you bringing it in.
A woman's eye would be most welcome.
Up a little on the right.
That we're all poised somewhere between heaven and hell.
He a demon. Maybe he's not a demon after all.
But those horns, what else could he be?
A rescuer.
From what?
The ordinary. What's that?
An electric lamp. Copper sulfate. Someday the streets will be lined with wires bringing electricity from distant steam plants.
빛과 함께 사랑이 찾아왔다.
You are quite unlike anyone I've ever met, Mr. Grace.
한편 퀼은
This was brought here from Puyan by the prior who founded this place. First, you must prove yourself to him.
Please.
The culprit is a half-blood, it turns out.
교수형 위기에 처한 파일로.
Rycroft Philostrate.
Stay with me. I love you.
그리고 그 앞에선 압살롬. 그 다음 날.
Quickly! Do you do anything like this?
Rich, this is a right cock-up.
하지만 탈출은 실패. 다행히 파일로는 아직까지 살아있었는데.
You think I killed Ashley Corral? She was lying in a pool of her own blood, murdered by you. I thought left me a foundling home. I can ask you.
Me?
You, father.
Oh my God.
I was a college student when I first saw her. Performance made an impression on me.
압살롬의 아버지가 둘의 만남을 강하게 반대했던 것.
My father wasn't a conventionally powerful, but he was brutal. He threatened to kill her, unless I called it off.
But it's a familiar story. Mine starts in Turnanock.
I'll see that she's released. You've told me you're the next target. You are in no position to investigate. As far as anyone knows, you were taken to be executed. Stay dead. You'll live longer. Turn your eye to the chances you have left with that girl of yours. Trust me on this. Godspeed, my boy. I wish to see the Magister of Police at once. Pour me a cup of tea, will you?
비닛의 석방 요구서를 작성하려던 그때.
Your tea.
He's still breathing. He's alive.
Did you really think your driver would keep that secret? Well, I'd advise you to stay away from her. That girl is twice as dangerous as anything on the road. You don't know that family like I do.
He's never wronged me.
How can you even say that after he kidnapped you?
Do you take me for a fucking fool? I'll see who my...
No, not her!
Why the fuck not? Because she's younger than you.
Because she's your sister.
헐.
You're growing rather bold.
We can't, Sophie.
그런데 너 알고 있었던 거야?
About her affair with my father. I knew it was a possibility. I grew up alone. Stranger comes into my life. Why should that give me any pause at all? Since when have you ever cared about that world's boundaries? This is how power was born.
What's this?
An offer. What is it, Janilla?
A messenger from Balefire. Master Joan is to return at once.
그 시간 하르스펙스에게 다가온 죽음의 그림자.
I know who you are.
Fight the false imprisonment of Faye. Thank you very much. Help out vignette.
Moira? I'll pay you back. You want, Philo?
Her current address is a holding cell under constabulary number 6.
She's being released.
What do you mean she's been released?
하지만 압살롬이 일어날 수 있을까?
We're questioning all the Critch servants and we'll be replacing them, of course.
How is he?
Jonah, don't upset him.
조나는 아버지에게 진실을 얘기해버립니다.
Hated Ritter Longerbane. You knew something. Scrutinized my sleeping face and wondered.
Wondered if you were really my son, my boy.
Jonah!
Goodbye, Chancellor.
You're Breakspear's bastard son, and Vinny knew your secret.
Since turning on.
Open that drawer. She brought it all the way from the moon. It was all she bought. Should have known then, really. That she still loved you, you idiot.
비가 내리던 그날 밤, 아그리아스를 잊지 못해 다시 그에게 찾아가는 이무진.
This is the servants' entrance, Miss Imogen.
Well, aren't you going to invite me in? We have some matters to discuss.
You shouldn't be here.
You can't just expect me to pretend it never happened.
That's exactly what I expect, is that you are a callow and graceless lover.
I know there are things a man can't fake.
What do you want me to say? The smell of your hair, the feel of your skin against mine, that I stop thinking about it all day.
But you wish to.
There are some pursuits even I can't afford.
What is the point in pretending to be one of us if there is any part of this life you cannot have? When we want something, we take it.
어머나, 얘네 또 큰일 났음.
Go home and wait for me. This is between myself and Mr. Regress. Get out of the bed. Out. Get away! Turn around and face the wall, you animal. How dare you consort with a fucking animal! Now you've done it.
Grace, we have to go. We'll come in, you'll see a pug standing over a bleeding man.
결국 도망칩니다.
Wherever you will go, I will find you both!
그 시간 아무리 기다려도 비넷은 오질 않고.
Surely he wouldn't have forgotten, would he?
깜짝 놀란 파일로는 하르스펙스에게 달려갑니다.
Why her?
She knew something. Didn't take her liver, though.
I've been waiting for you. I can see it all so clearly now.
Who did this?
겨우 숨이 붙어있던 하르스펙스는 파일로에게 다크에이셔의 정체를 알려주는데.
Holding this when you were attacked.
The Magister of Police arrived.
Still on his way.
Damn it, hurry him up.
You sent for me?
Some water.
Inadvertently helped me solve a little riddle that I've been mulling over lately.
What sort of riddle?
No way of knowing if the future promised to her child.
설마 파이어티?
I am suspended in the globe. It was right in front of me all along. She was always such a curious girl.
Chancellor's wife.
I've met him, Piety.
Tell me
Piety.
Tell me.
It's not real!
Tell me!
결국 남편까지 살해해버리는데.
Her dark work is not yet done. Your father's blood. A girl. The one you love is in great danger. I was running out. Go.
You've got friends in high places, don't you? They even sent a coach to pick you up.
이번엔 비넷을 데려간 파이어티.
I don't want to do this, But I will if you force me to. Tell me where your friend is.
You made the Dark Asher.
Shut up. I'm asking the questions. Where is he?
비넷을 구하러 달려간 파일로.
You're not hearing me at all. Do you have any idea what I've done?
I don't know where he is. Would you tell me if you did?
잠든 거니? 깨어나지 마.
I think we're in luck. He's coming for you.
런! 결국 만난 파일로와 파이어티.
She's fine. It's not about her. It's only about you. You know, the irony is that I would never have even known you existed if not for your mother's blackmail. I've come too far to turn back now. The time has come to finish this.
Finished.
하지만
Oh, but it's not.
헐, 쟤 안 죽었어. 네 맘대로는 안 될걸, 파이어티.
Lady Piety was the last person to see him alive.
Find her. Until the next election, you are acting Chancellor.
I want emergency measures in place today. Am I perfectly clear?
You sent for me, sir? Has your mother been located yet?
No, she remains unaccounted for. This was found among her personal effects. Fairy was found dead on the row last. Singer of some repute. It would appear this letter was written by your fairy friend.
That's not her voice, that's not her way. No, I'm certain Aisling would never write such a letter.
I've decided that I'm no longer in need of an arts and letters tutor. I am in need of an honest man, special advisor to the Chancellor.
Thank you.
Turns out that this Puck assassin was a member of a larger radical organization. Means that things are going to get worse before they get better.
상황이 더 심각해질 듯.
And to do freehold? Somewhere pair like us won't raise eyebrows. I love you. Oh, me too.
Chancellor's been assassinated by Puck cultists. All Critch are to be sequestered to the row.
한편 도망치듯 떠났던 아그리어스와 이모진.
All vessels are to return.
Let them chase us if they'd like. The captain would like to know where to.
Somewhere new. Somewhere far away. Surprise us.
둘은 해피엔딩? 조나는 곧 알게 됩니다. 편지를 보낸 주인공의 정체를.
Looking over your speech.
Actually, I was just considering your offer. A marriage. I was thinking it looks rather like this blackmail note that was sent to my mother.
You're responsible for everything.
My father had been collecting dirt on the Chancellor for quite some time. He refused to make use of them. Some residual feelings for your mother, I expect.
I could have you put in irons.
It's curious how the stroke of a girl's pen can change the course of history. The real game is about to begin. Are we to be friends? Or are we to be enemies?
고민 한가득 안고 의원들 앞에 나선 조나.
The leader of the opposition and the Chancellor. We stand at the precipice of a great and secret war. But by God, it is a war we will win. To protect the people of this great city, we will not compromise, we will not negotiate. We will hunt them to the very edge of the world.
이제 결정의 시간.
Will you stand with me?
I will.
인간이 아닌 종족들에게 더 혹독한 시련이 예고되는데.
There you go, darling. You're all right, mate. You're all right. Just Critch, mate. Move along.
이 혼돈 속에서 다시 또 헤어져야 하는 비넷과 파일로.
I'll find a way out.
이대로 또 헤어질 수 없다.
I told you, mate. Just Critch. Move on. I am Critch.
더 세진 제도 속에서 이들의 운명은 어떻게 될까? 후